Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Prymax electric pressure washer with built-in rechargeable battery. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged in a nice retail box. We can see 1500 PSI, 1.5 gallons per minute. This also features a brushless motor. And again, it has a built-in battery, so it's going to last anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes at a full charge. We can keep rotating it around. We can see we got a self-purge air system, a pressure release safety system as well. Pretty identical packaging on the back. But here's a pretty important side right here showing you the model number and the lithium ion battery size right here. We're looking at a 4.0 amp hour battery, everything else that we just talked about. And this is going to be a highly portable unit, and since it's electric, it's going to be pretty quiet as well. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your instruction guide and user manual right here. There we go. We can see the charts and diagrams walking you through how to set everything up. Next, you can see they include a needle tool for us, 4 Phillips head screws that we can use to attach the gun and lance holder to the actual electric pressure washer. Here's your battery recharging cables. Right here, we'll plug this adapter into the wall and into the device to charge it back up. Here's the detergent bottle attachment that we can add to the gun if we want. Here's your high pressure hose as well that attaches to the gun and to the unit. Here's your lance adapter for the gun, really nice. We have a really long Phillips head screwdriver right here, and we have your spray gun as well with a really nice trigger. We can see where we're going to attach the high pressure hose and where we can make the attachments for the lance and the detergent bottle as well. Last but not least, we got the unit itself right here. It looks really nice. Now let's look at it in a little bit more detail. So we can see the device in a little bit more detail right here with their logo. We can see the hose attachment. We have this really nice handle as well to move the device easily. On the back right here, you can see we can push these in, remove this cover to reveal the charging port. There are 2 screws that you're going to have to remove. Then we can turn it to this side. You can see where we need to attach the high pressure hose, and it looks identical to the other side. And then right here, you can see we have our big power button, so it's very easy to power the unit on and off. Now let's go ahead, let's get this attached to the unit. So they give us everything we need to set this up, the Phillips head screwdriver and 4 screws, and this only fits on the pressure washer one way. So you can see we have it lined up, and now we're ready to attach the screws. So you can work it into all 4 of those holes. Take note of how it looks in this video. Yours will be the same way. So once you have them lined up, go ahead, take the screws and get them attached. Now you can see how easy it is to store the spray gun in this nice holster up there. And we have the lance clipped in at the bottom. So this makes for great portability and really easy storage. Now let's go ahead, let's get the gun and lance set up. So to install the lance or the detergent bottle, it's very simple. They have the exact same mount at the end that just fits perfectly with this gun. I want to show you on the lance too. We can adjust our spray to have it be really wide or really concentrated just by twisting the end right there. And then you can even see they have a little arrow indicator for you showing you the spray depending on what you want. So to get it installed, guys, just line it up just like this. Twist it towards yourself and push it in, and then twist it away from yourself. And now it's ready to go and ready to be used. To remove it, just repeat that in the opposite direction. So we're going to push in and twist it towards us, and we're ready to pull it out. So we can do that again for the detergent bottle as well. Just like that, push it in and twist it away from us. Now that's ready to be used, and then we can go ahead, we can push it in and twist it towards us, and we're ready to remove it. Now let's look at the charger on the electric pressure washer. So on the back of the device, you may have noticed there's 2 blue push buttons that you can press to remove the back of the cover. You may have screws on each side that you're going to have to remove before the cover can come off, and you can actually fully depress those buttons. So go ahead, remove those 2 Phillips head screws with the included screwdriver, and then you're ready to open the cover up. And there you go. You can see the charging port right here for the battery, and it has a nice cover on it too to keep everything nice and dry and moisture free. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and clip it back into place, and you're all set to use it again. Hose installation's very simple. You can see the end we have right here that's going to attach to the pressure washer. Just push it into place on the threaded end, and then twist it with your hands, make it nice and tight. So keep going until you have a lot of resistance and it can't be turned anymore. Now we're ready to attach it to the spray gun. Same thing, we can go ahead and line it up, push it into place, and then use your hands and your fingers to twist it all the way up to make sure that it's nice and snug on your device. And in just a second, you'll see we will run into a lot of resistance and we can't tighten it anymore. Now we're ready to go outside, connect this to a hose, and try it out. So we have the electric pressure washer connected to our garden hose right now, and we're ready to start using it to clean off this deck. Here's our quick before shot. Now let's get to work. So we just finished cleaning our steps with the electric pressure washer and they look great. It did an awesome job considering the fact that this is a portable and electric pressure washer. Now keep in mind it will leave some dirt and residue behind that your gas powered pressure washers would be able to get. It's not powerful enough to really damage your wood or strip your paint or anything along those lines. So let's try it out in a couple more applications. This aluminum siding's dirty at the bottom, so let's go ahead, let's clean it off. So you can see it did a pretty decent job cleaning up the mud on the siding. Now we have the solution attachment on and we're going around spraying solution on our car right here. So you can see we're gonna just soak the whole thing with the solution, making sure to really soak the car with the car washing detergent that we're using. Super convenient to pick everything up to take it to the other side of our car to keep applying the solution. Now we're ready to clean it back off. So we just finished cleaning our car with the electric pressure washer, and I gotta say that's probably the perfect application for this pressure washer. Since you can have it in one hand and use the gun in the other hand, since it's not too powerful, you can really clean your car nicely, a lot better than just using a regular garden hose nozzle. Now I do wanna point out it's not too powerful that it's gonna damage your paint or anything along those lines, but still be careful and pressure wash responsibly. So after using the detergent attachment for a little while, I was really hoping that the pressure washer would provide more power for this attachment. As you can see right here, this is full power, full pressure. So it's just basically a soak and a drizzle coming through that attachment. So as you can see from the video, everything worked great for me. I really enjoyed using this electric pressure washer. Wanted to mention the needle tool again really quick in case you had any questions about this. I brushed over it early on in the unboxing. They give you this tool in case you need to unclog any jams in your spray gun. So that's why this is included with the pressure washer. So just keep that tucked away somewhere in case you ever have any issues. I didn't have any jams, issues, clogs, or anything like that. You shouldn't expect them either. Overall, really happy with this product. Love this big handle on there and how portable this device is. Did I mention how quiet it is? This is the quietest pressure washer I've ever reviewed. It's so quiet, guys. It's really impressive. I also really like that built-in battery. It's just great how portable this is. The only thing you have connected to this unit is your garden hose. So, guys, it's just so cool. Really happy with that. Overall, a couple things I'd like to see improved upon in the future. I really wish it was more powerful. 2,500 or 3,000 PSI would be perfect so it could compete with a gas pressure washer. I'd love to see this be more powerful so it can really tackle all of your chores outside. You can see in the video, it didn't get all the dirt off my deck. It definitely helped, but it's just not as powerful to really strip off all the gunk that was there. So it makes a perfect unit for maybe cleaning your sidewalk, the side of your house, your railing, that sort of thing. Something that doesn't have a lot of dirt on it, but some dirt from maybe a couple of months being outside. Or again, if you just want to buy this to wash your car, you can't go wrong in that regard either. But I'd love to see it be more powerful in the future. And I'd also like the battery life to be twice as long. So I'd be saying that whether it had a 2-hour, 3-hour, or 4-hour battery life, but I'd love to see it have something maybe 45 minutes to an hour. That would be great. Or I'd like it to have the option to have a removable battery pack, so you could swap them out and continue to use the device for a prolonged period of time, just like you would with an electric drill. So you can swap out those battery packs, put a new one in, and you're good to go. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I'd love to hear from you guys in that comment section below. Would you buy this? Do you already own one? What are you looking for in an electric pressure washer? Would this be powerful enough for what you need, or do you need a more powerful unit? Let me know in that comment section below. Hit that like button for us. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily. Don't want you guys to miss anything. Give us a follow online, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website. Join our free newsletter, guys. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server as well. Thanks for watching. New content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.